Hello and welcome to Module 2. Module 2 is on density. This is Mr. DeSimone, your instructor. And in Module 2, you will learn how to define, describe, and explain density, mass, and volume, and how to use the density formula in real-world applications. Mass is the amount of matter an object has. Volume is the amount of space an object occupies, and density is the mass of an object per unit volume. So density is going to equal mass divided by volume. So let's talk about how you calculate density. Okay, step one is you need to calculate the mass. Whether it's given, whether you have to weigh an object, you need to know the mass. The next step is to calculate the volume of the object. So it might involve measuring, or if you are given the volume, you need to know the volume. So to calculate density, you divide the mass by volume. So in this problem, we have a mass of 16 kilograms. We have a volume of 8 meters. So our density is 2 kilograms per meter. When comparing density, or if we look at objects, you could see in this drawing we have on the left a 1 liter container, and each one of these is 20 milligrams, or 1 milligram. We have 20 little circles in each one. So we have 1 liter on the left, 2 liters on the right. Each container is holding the same mass of 20 kilograms. So which one has the higher density? Okay, the higher density is going to be, if they have the same mass, the higher density will be the container that has the smaller volume. Okay, if you see the 2 liter container has a lot of spaces in between the little bubbles of mass, whereas the container on the left has very little space in between. So again, remember that if two containers have the same mass, but have different volumes, the container with the smaller volume is going to have the higher density. Okay, so read through the web pages, and then you can continue on and do the homework and activity page.